Consider this change management scenario. A merger with another company has been announced, and there is apprehension among employees about potential cultural clashes. How would you facilitate a cultural integration process to foster collaboration and a unified organizational identity?
Welcome to our Peak Pursuits series, where we pursue innovative strategies for the business world. Presenting your host, Sandhya Lakhan Paul, who talks about AI, change management, learning and development, digital marketing, project management, leadership development, and much more to set you up for success. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us for the latest tips and tricks from the world of business.
Hey there, welcome to our Peak Pursuits series, where we pursue innovative strategies for the business world. I am your host, Sandhya Lakhan Paul. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the intricate dance of merging cultures after a big business marriage. Hang tight, we've got a roadmap to smooth out this cultural integration journey. Merging two company cultures is like orchestrating a symphony. Let's break down these steps into a more engaging and relatable format. 1. Understanding the cultural melodies. It's time for a deep dive into understanding the unique rhythms of both companies. We're looking at what makes them tick, what they value, and where potential clashes might occur. 2. Harmony through communication. Communication is our baton. Open, honest, and frequent updates are crucial. We're reassuring employees, providing a clear roadmap for the new culture, and sharing our vision. 3. Crafting a unified anthem. We're composing a new anthem here, defining a shared vision and values that echo the heartbeats of both organizations. Everyone gets a chance to contribute to this melody. 4. Symphonic collaboration teams. We're assembling our orchestra. These cross-functional teams blend talents from both sides to harmonize efforts and bridge any cultural gaps. 5. Celebrating harmonious notes. Let's celebrate the harmonies. Recognizing where both cultures align is key. Highlighting shared strengths and values is like finding that perfect chord. 6. Cultural harmony training. Time for some cultural awareness rehearsals. Training everyone to respect and understand diverse perspectives and behaviors is our aim. 7. Open mic for feedback. We're setting up open mic nights, platforms and channels for employees to share their thoughts and concerns. We're listening actively and responding transparently. 8. Finding culture maestros. Identifying the maestros. These culture champions lead by example, showcasing the desired cultural behaviors to others. 9. Dealing with musical clashes, addressing discordant notes, head-on. We're mediating cultural clashes and harmonizing differences through constructive conflict resolution. 10. Blending harmonies and traditions. We're remixing traditions, picking out the best notes from each culture and integrating them into the new symphony. 11. Applause for achievements. Cue the applause. Celebrating the milestones and successes along the way, keeping the harmony upbeat and positive. 12. Conducting the cultural check. We're keeping score. Establishing metrics to gauge cultural integration progress. Adapting our score as we go, based on feedback and outcomes. 13. Leaders on the same sheet. Leaders are the conductors, ensuring they're in tune with the new cultural symphony and leading by example. Their support is music to everyone's ears. By following these steps, we're orchestrating a beautiful blend of cultures, creating harmony, and composing a unified identity that resonates across the newly merged organization. This symphony requires patience, practice, and a commitment to nurturing a cohesive and resonant culture.
Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep pursuing innovative strategies.